Today, we are putting two contestants up to the challenge of creating the ultimate Mother's Day card. Our contestants will have 45 minutes to complete their card. They start off with just a paper and pencil, and every 5 minutes more materials will be released. They will then be critiqued or judged by our esteemed panel of judges on 3 categories: creativity, uniqueness, and heart. Let's meet our players.
I'm Hassan. Well, my name's Amin. I work for a company you might have heard of before called Uniqueness. I lead the team here at Nor Kids. I write children's books. I've got 3 kids, and I'm also married. My favorite color is blue. We're making Mother's Day cards. I think this is a tough decision, but I think I'm gonna make a Mother's Day card for my mom. I'm sorry, Dad. A lot of people talk about their moms, and they say, oh, my mom is great. My mom does a lot. I'm pretty confident that my mom is the best mom who maybe ever lived. I am who I am because of my mom. My mom has sort of shaped me into who I am. My mom holds a world record. It's not in the Guinness Book of World Records, but it might as well be. Now you might be wondering, Hassan, what is the world record your mom holds? It's the world record for the greatest mom in the history of the world.
Okay, welcome competitors. To start, you have 3 pieces of scrap paper.
Okay.
You have a pencil and a crayon. Every 5 minutes, more materials will be released. This is the start of what is your Mother's Day card.
These papers are used. Doesn't care about our mothers.
5 minutes starts now.
My mom is Shaheen. So she's no longer in this world. She's in the hereafter. And so it's something that I think about often and makes me feel even more excited to celebrate her. I'm one of the guys who feels like it's what's on the inside that really counts. So I think I'm gonna focus a little bit more on, maybe being a little bit poetic. The outside, I'm sure it'll come together, but really I'm gonna put my focus on the inside. Mr. Hassan has no heart, dude. Can I listen to something so I'm not distracted? I have to think.
This first 5 minutes is your quiet time. It's going to get a little...
Well, I wanted to be quiet, but everyone's talking. That's the issue. I think I'm going to make a card that has the Guinness Book of World Record format that says greatest mom in the world record and then her name or something like that.
That was 5 minutes. I'm gonna release some materials and then we're gonna go 5 more minutes. And then I'm gonna release some more materials and then we're gonna go 5 more minutes. Rock, paper, scissors between you two.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot?
Yep.
Best out of 1.
Yep.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
All right, Amin. So you got build a better world, humankind, peace of mind, afterlife, count on me, my country, my people, heart of fasting, being a best friend, no God but God, and see the bright side.
All right, I'm gonna pick heart of gold.
Amin, your item is colored contact paper. Pass or play. If you want to play with that material, you can, or you pass it to Hassan and pick a different one.
No, I will keep this.
All right, Hassan, now you get to pick a book.
I'll do humankind.
Hassan, your item is 2 markers and tape. 5 minutes.
Scrap paper.
Ready, set, go.
Can I get scissors?
There are scissors. You'll have to win them. Hassan,
Yeah.
How did your family celebrate Mother's Day?
Yeah, we'd just do, go out to eat, make breakfast for my mom, get her flowers, clean the house. It was more of a day of just service to my mom. There's this place which is called the Original Pancake House, OPH. Oftentimes we'd go there for food. That was fun.
Pencils down.
I have a marker.
You get the first choice this round of new material.
Being a best friend.
Hassan, your material is chalk, glue, and a blindfold. A blindfold can be used to put on your fellow competitor for a 5-minute section. You can keep those items and use them, or you can pass them to Amin and pick something else.
Cool. I will pass these on to Amin because I'm hoping that since these are Mother's Day cards, he will not use the blindfold for me to ruin. I will use it.
Passing it. All right, what book would you like then, Hassan?
My country, my people.
Hassan, you have glue.
Oh man, why did I?
And stars.
Jake, what are these things? None of these are useful to me. I need to start putting some. I still don't even have a card stock or something to make this card out of.
5 minutes, ready, go. At the end of this 5 minutes, you get to eliminate one of your competitor's items.
Yeah, I'm using this right now.
Hassan,
Did you wash it?
it's brand new.
Oh.
So no, I didn't.
Okay, this is just, we said we're gonna test Amin's character. This is the paper I was drawing on. What happened to my other scrap? When I had my, where's my other paper? The one I drew on.
Right here.
No, the one that,
That's the one you drew on.
this is the one I did my Guinness record thing on?
Bro, that's where you wrote Nor Kids on.
No, not that one, the Guinness record.
Bro, this is here. This is
Thank you. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Is Amin lying? Wait, this is a smaller paper.
you got me, dude. You got me so bad.
Hey, so Amin, do you understand how that paper works?
No.
It's like a sticker.
Oh, this is a sticker.
Yeah.
That's why it's so valuable.
Oh,
You have 2.5 minutes.
You know what I'm gonna do with this paper airplane?
Give it to your mom.
Nope. I'm gonna throw it at Amin. Blindfold. Do you think I'm still doing better than the airplanes Amin built?
You should think about what you're gonna write. Is writing what?
I mean, I know exactly what I want to do, but you blindfolded me.
It's not about what you're gonna do. It's about what you're gonna write. But when you're talking, you're not gonna be able to think about it. Sometimes silence is a gift.
There's a lot of folding.
Let's put our items down. So right now, you each get to pick an item that you want to eliminate, that they no longer have.
I want to eliminate his pencil.
I will take away his pencil as well.
Hassan, your pencil's gone. So, 5
I
minutes.
would have given you my pencil.
No, you wouldn't have.
5 minutes and 2 more items will be released. Keep building.
Okay. Alright, sounds good. Alright. Who knew that doing something so good for our moms would turn so competitive?
Unlike most competitions, I came into this with a good heart.
Unlike most. Well, you heard it here first. He normally comes in.
That's right. I come in to destroy. But now Amin has brought it out of me. Now, now... Sorry, Mommy, this is no longer about the card.
All right, pencils down. Pencils down. Put your marker down. I'm going to release 2 more items for you to play with. And then in 5 minutes, you're going to eliminate one other item of your competitor. 5 more minutes, 2 more items will be released, and then you have 10 minutes to finish. Items. Amin, it's up to you. You get to pick a book.
Build a better world.
Build a better world. Done. Amin, you get a scissors, and this is to swap items. At any point, you can swap an item with your competitor.
I want to keep these.
Okay, Hassan.
No God but God.
No God but God. Paper.
Nice. Well, I mean, I already started.
Go, and again, in 5 minutes, we are eliminating one of your opponent's items. Hassan, you get to eliminate one of Amin's items.
I'm gonna eliminate the scissors.
Amin, what do you eliminate of Hassan's?
I'm not just a matter of character, you know?
All right, 5 minutes.
I want my mom to be proud of me.
5 minutes, ready, go. All right, items down, items down, items down. Which book would you like? Build a Better World, Humankind.
Build a better world.
You got googly eyes, a scissors, and a marker.
All right.
Do you want to keep that item or do you want to pass it to Amin?
I'll keep these items.
Amin, what would you like your last item to be?
Humankind.
You got paper, ribbon, scissors.
Nice.
So,
I should have traded.
5 minutes, and then we eliminate an item, and then you have 10 minutes to finish. All right, items down. Everybody, items down. Amin, you get to eliminate the item first. Also, I want to remind you, you have a swap.
Yeah, I'm gonna swap you for your pen. I'm gonna take the blue pen. You can take this.
Nice. Oh yeah.
And Hassan, you get to eliminate one of Amin's items.
Out of the mercy of my very soft and warm heart, I'm gonna eliminate the chalk.
Finish.
Before I can continue, I gotta make this in. Kobe.
As Muslims, there's nothing that is more important than your mom. And even more, there's no position in society that is more lofty than that of a mom. Some people hope to someday become a doctor, or someday become a lawyer, or an engineer, or an author, and you think, wow, that is prestigious. But as Muslims, the most prestigious role in the entire society, a role that not even prophets were able to gain, is the role of motherhood. Our prophet, peace and blessings be on him, says that heaven, paradise, rivers of honey and rivers of milk, paradise lies under the foot of a mother. And so we should think, if heaven is under the foot of a mother, then imagine what stands above it. There is nothing that is more special than that role.
Every day should be Mother's Day. Obviously, on the Gregorian calendar, it's one day, but Islam puts so much emphasis on it that respect you show them, we should be celebrating them every day. And no matter what we do, even if you're able to serve your mom in every single capacity from this day onward for the rest of time and give her $400 million every day, everything. If you could do everything for your mom, you could still never repay because she's the one who raised you. So even if you are doing good things for her, you still have to thank her because she's the one who raised you to instill these qualities for you to do good things for her, which then makes God happy, which then is better for you. So even then you have to thank her for doing good things for her. So there's no amount you can ever thank her enough.
And as kids, the best gift we can give our mom is actually not a card. Because a card's gonna get tucked into a drawer and it's going to go away. It's not a rose, because a rose is gonna die. It's not chocolate, because chocolate will be eaten. Now, don't get me wrong, roses and chocolate and cards, they're all nice. The very best thing we can do for our moms is to become the best version of ourselves. If we can become living, breathing trophies for them, flag bearers, such that everywhere we go and every action we take is in their honor for good to make the world a better place, that is the best award we could give to our moms.
Cards in here. Sister Gina, an award-winning artist, a mother of two, and our resident mom, and the newest member of the Muslim treehouse. Mr. Hassan, 67-year-old grandfather from India. He has over 33 grandkids and still to this day makes a Mother's Day card for his great-grandmother.
1 second, I'm getting... hello, Sakib. Laundry machine is broken. Why you're calling me? First you call Whirlpool. Sorry. That's right. Okay. You know me, I'm Mr. Hassan. I have the laundromat, I have real estate development, I have lot of kids, very successful businessman, but I'm, community guy. That's what I am, that's right.
And finally, judge number 3, bringing in our cards for tonight's competition. I'm Cowboy Jake.
You look like the Jake behind the camera. That one is more handsome.
Judges, thank you for coming. We have a very important job today. Our job is to judge these 2 Mother's Day cards. Our competitors went through a bunch of challenges to the point where they got here. These took 40 minutes, and our job is to decide which of these is the best.
40 minutes?
That's right.
This all they did?
We will be judging these cards on a 10-point scale. Creativity, uniqueness, and heart. Let's take a look. Tell us what you think. A poet.
That's right, he is a talented poet guy.
I heard he writes books.
No, that can't be.
I'm very surprised at what I'm seeing. What kinds of guidance were they given to make these Mother's Day cards?
This Hassan, he did not get any good material. How you're going to make card with scrap paper only? By the time he got this one, it was too late. He had no cutting thing, no good paper, no tape.
I thought these were supposed to be cards.
What is definition of card?
Stuff it into an envelope?
Let me ask. Credit card you can fold?
In your billfold.
This is heavy on the contact paper. And frankly, I'm not even sure what this ring is. It almost looks like it could be a
I think
pot
that is
holder.
tree.
Maybe it's tree. Yes.
The colors do remind me of something floral. And my first instinct when I looked at it was, is this the sun rising? Is it a sunflower blossoming? Then I started reading about the flame.
It says, Bismillah. Queens deserve crowns and they deserve castles. But I could never give that to you. Instead, I gave you heartache. I should have said, I love you. If I could turn back time, I would. To give you a rose? No. A candle? No. They are fleeting. They will wither. I would tell you that I will forever be your flame, bringing the world out of darkness and into the light. And that's why I created a flame.
And so I would say maybe not use green, but maybe red, something a little bit warm. But, you know, these artists, I understand color can sometimes be tricky.
Yep, they are both colorblind, I heard. I want to say something. Take a look. How someone 25-year-old can make something so sloppy. This is effort. You know, the Guinness World Record looks kind of like that. Just look with the squinty eye, you see basically same thing. But Nurkid, more important, world record.
Noor Kids official world record. Sukaina Dunji, the greatest mom in existence. And then here's something that my card reads that I don't think Amin's card reads. See this back here? Made on 5/12, that's Mother's Day, 2024, Hassan.
We've examined our cards. Now it's time for us to vote. One more time. Creativity, uniqueness, and heart. 10, it was amazing. 1, needs work. Cue music.
I was a little surprised to see Noor Kids show up in a Mother's Day card. I would be surprised to see that in one of my cards given to me by my children. So for creativity, I scored this a 7. I thought that it was a good use of material. There's mixed media happening here.
Well, I actually scored Hassan a 10 on uniqueness for this because, frankly, how often do you get to advertise to your mother? And what a better resource to advertise to a Muslim mom than Noor Kids.
I give uniqueness 2 because, man, Guinness World Record is a thing. And so now you're trying to replicate on the Noor Kids. Man, that is not unique. Hello.
Overall, I was really impressed with Amin's creativity and heart. I gave high scores in creativity and heart, but I gave a low score for uniqueness. I don't think it's very unique. I don't know what it is. That's all I got. 2, brother Amin.
Well, I disagree. I did find this unique. What really stood out to me was the message. And so when I read these words, I realized how personal and how loving and careful these words were. As a mother, it just melted my heart. And so for heart, I gave him an 8.
Everyone thinks this was made with good heart. I gave a 0 in heart, and I will say to you why. The reason why was because during the competition, Brother Amin put the blindfold on the Hassan so he couldn't make the card. Malice, that's right. So I put 0 for heart, 0.
And now, judges, we've added up all the scores. Brother Hassan, your total score is 52.
Good job. Out of 90.
And then, ladies and gentlemen, our first place winner with 53 points,
1 point.
Brother Amin. There you have it. Congratulations, Brother Amin. Well done. Beautiful Mother's Day card. If you at home want to participate with us, we are having a Best Mother's Day Card Challenge on our Flip community. Create a card, submit it to us, and somebody's mom will be winning a special gift. If you're not part of our community, visit NordKids.com Treehouse. I'm so excited to see you guys
Hello.
next time.
3 for $10. Man, that's expensive. You saying I come to Costco right now? Oh, pomegranate, $1 each. I'm coming right now. Costco. Tell them put on hold. I have to go. Very good deal at Costco.
Jake, can you hit
$1.
the record button?
Palm brand.
I think we're out of here.